It's not real, I don't even wanna go back home. What is this love and war? He know that I love him, got him fucking me raw. He know I ain't with it, never did it before. He got me all in my feelings, now he got you all in yours. Ooh.
So, nagsisimula na ako mag-film dito and alam kong super unstable ng lighting since talaga natural light lang. So, ganyan yung itsura ko by that time. And nakapaglagay na ako ng contact lens. And yun, ang dami ko na-skip. So, mag-proceed na ako sa brow soap. And nilagyan ko lang siya ng water and yun na nga. Ginawan ko ng paste para bongga naman yung kilay kahit hindi ako marunong magkilay. Now is pinupush ko lang yung brows and binabrush ko siya pataas para naman makreate yung bushy effect na gusto kong ma-achieve sa aking brows. Again, in this video is I've decided na mag voice over na lang kasi kung magsasalita ako or chumichika ako habang ginagawa to is matatagalan ako siguro mga 10 years bago ko matapos. And sa ingay din ng mga aso ng kapitbahay. So kaya tamang voice over na lang. So ayun, hindi nare-record kanina yung mga pinagsasabi ko. And ngayon, binubura ko lang yung mga excess na brow soap. And I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible na pang eyebrows para gawing eyebrow gel since hindi nga ako marunong magkilay using a pencil or pomade na talagang maganda yung kinalalabasan. So I'm using this as my eyebrow gel. So after filling my brows is i-clean ko siya using the L'Oreal Infallible concealer and para ma-carve out ko ng maayos yung kilay ko kasi sobrang sabog ng itsura niya. So narinig nyo naman na medyo maingay yung mga aso sa kabila. So please bear with me while I'm carving my brows. So, ayun, after nito, magpa-foundation na tayo and magmimix ako ng 3 foundations which is the L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear, Careline All Liquid Makeup, and the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte. And pinagmix ko lang silang tatlo and I'll blend it using a damp sponge. Nag-a-add lang ako ng highlight from the EB Scalp and Strobe Stick sa aking cheekbones and sa bridge of my nose and sa nose tip ko. Then, pinatungan ko siya ng concealer. And, same concealer pa din yung ginamit ko which is the L'Oreal Infallible. Contour na tayo ng nose and face using also the same product na pinang-highlight ko which is the EB Scalp and Strobe Stick in the shade Deep. And binablend ko lang lahat with the damp sponge. So, ayun, grabe na yung line sa mukha ko kasi contour is the key para magkaroon ng shadows and shape talaga yung aking face kasi kita nyo naman, syuba talaga shesh. And mag-blend tayo ng mga contour, cream contour. And syempre, blending is the key para talaga natural tingnan. Then, tulala moments and sinet ko lang ng powder yung aking face dahil oily talaga ako. And mag-eyeshadow na ako using the light brown sa Sassy Lady palette which is 12 colors siya and super affordable. And next is the warm shade ng brown. And tinap off ko lang yung excess and sa outer part siya ng aking eyelids ko nilalagay. And biniblend ko lang siya kahit hindi talaga ako marunong mag-eyeshadow. Super experimental lang lahat. Magbabasa siguro ako ng chat dito since medyo matagal. And blend ulit sa kabilang eyes. Actually, pinagsasabay ko yung dalawang eyes kasi hindi ako sanay na isang eyes muna after the other kasi feeling ko mas time consuming siya. So, sabay talaga sila. And super simple lang talaga ng eyeshadow na to. And now, gagamitin ko tong Everbelena Uncover Palette 2, and I'm using the dark brown shade as my eyeliner in this makeup look, since mas soft siya tingnan rather than liquid eyeliner yung gagamitin ko. And pinagmix ko yung dalawang glittery shade and nilagay ko siya sa middle ng aking lids. And ngayon naman, itong parang liquid liner na to is hindi talaga siya liquid liner, it's the glue para dun sa magnetic lashes na gagamitin ko for this look. Medyo struggle yung pag-eyeliner nito, and medyo na-stress ako maglagay ng false eyelashes kasi hindi nga talaga ako marunong. And nilalagay ko lang yung mga color ng eyeshadows under dito sa may lower lash line ko, and sinusmudge ko lang sila. And I'm using the Sassy Ladies mascara para naman magkaroon ng kulay yung lashes below. So, ngayon is multitasking since nag-video call ako over this clip, and naglalagay ako ng blush which is from the brand Daenielle. Ayan yung palette na ginamit ko. And naglalagay ako ng highlight which is from the Blight Cosmetics, yung kanilang highlight palette. And nilalagay ko yung parang iridescent blue or white doon sa aking inner corners. Spray lang ako ng Sun Pro Mist which is from the Skin Magical on top of my makeup. May pa-hair flip nang nagaganap since basa pa yung buhok ko, and mag-bronzer lang ako using the two eyeshadow na light brown and warm brown from the Sassy Lady palette, and i-apply ko na siya and blend para it looks natural. Charot. So, balikan natin itong Uncover 2 palette, and gagamitin ko itong grayish brown shade as my nose contour para mas magmukhang natural lang yung shadows. Ilaline ko lang yung lips ko using the Everbelena Lip Define in the shade Neutral Mocha or Nude Mocha ata yun. So, I'm using this Velvet Stain from Fleur by Cali to fill in my lips in the shade Griffin. And ibabrush ko lang ulit yung brows ko using the same spoolie or applicator na ginamit ko kanina. And naglagay lang ako sa inner corner ng EB Matte Lipstick in the shade Dusk. Inner lips pala, I mean, sumulangses. And ayan, binabrush ko na yung hair ko. Tapos na yung makeup look, and now let's accessorize sa hair using this pink hair clips para to look cute and charot. And gamitin natin tong mga small hoop earrings as an accessory for today's look. And using the same necklace from Tala by Kyla, and may ilalagay pa akong isang necklace which is from Shopee na I think 9 pesos ko lang siya nabili as an accessory to this look. So final touches na lang in here, and later you will see the final look.